colorful is that, guys? Huh? Carrots.
Well, that's a good price.
And the gender.
It's like $400 off.
Okay. I want to tell you something, guys. Tammy and I talk. Nag-usap kami ni Tammy kanina. I told him, why don't we sell this house? No one's ever gonna hurt you, love. I'm gonna 7:50 ng umaga, guys. Si Hubs andun sa window. Hubs, what are you doing? Psst. Hubs. Oh shit. Fuck me. Ah. My god, it hurts. What? What? What, baby? Come to mama. Come here. Come to mama. Like that. I love you. He's a good boy. I love you so much. He's there again, guys. Okay, down, Roxy. Go down. Oh, fireplace is on. It's so cozy. It's so cozy. I like the fireplace is on. It feels good. What are you watching? I just been watching Will Dasovich vlog, the one that with he froze his sperm, and it's really funny, guys, because you know I've been watching Alodia's vlog also, guys. Alodia, the kind of woman she is, she just don't. I think this is my impression that she won't let anybody just to touchy with her. I believe that the way they do, you can see the vlog, the way they're, you know, yung mga hawakan nila, yung mga lambingan nila, yun na yun ibig sabihin, oy, kasi kapag hindi mo naman boyfriend yung lalaki, you know, you won't let him touchy with you, or you know, that girlfriend boyfriend kind of thing, you know, movement. So naano lang ako, kinikilig ako ay nanonood sa kanila. I'm making this one. How do you call this? Bacon. Smells so good. Bacon. I'm gonna cook it all. Then I'm gonna have this pancake. Guys, you see how much I collect oil from the bacon? Tignan nyo, guys. Ang dami. Holy moly. Tignan nyo, I collect the thing. I don't want to throw it in the drain because, you know, it's not good for our septic. But we're gonna have bacon and pancake. Let's eat, guys. Pancake, bacon, coffee. Yeah, that's it. So I'm going to glue this part. It's really hot now. It feels so hot. Why? Ay, nako, Rox. Look how good looking he is, guys. He's the good looking man. Finally, Tommy, we're going to fix my necklace. Finally. Tommy have a fixer over here. I don't know what it is. He want me to plug it. bag. Yes, Daddy is cutting Toki for you. Toki. Toki ice. Okay guys, kinuha ko lang yung basil. I took the basil out, harvesting it because it are dying. They're dying, look. Some of part of it. Like that. And I'm going to wash it, and just like my sister-in-law did, she dry it. Like she leave it out in that thing over here and she dry it. It smells so good. Can you smell it?
Yep.
It smells so good. You have to help me. Break this. What's my number over there?
Break that? I got no glue on you. Control the camera.
Don't worry, I'm eating. Having lunch, guys. We don't do nothing today, guys. So actually, we're just like
Look at all the American cheese.
huh?
Look at all the American cheese.
It's still over there. You know what I'm having right now?
Food.
Rice and the century
Spicy too.
tuna. Century tuna. The calamansi, not the spicy one.
That was not good.
Calamansi. Mmm.
No good?
Hey guys, Tommy helped me to put the thing over there. Yeah, I have a plan. I put a very color because it's black. So I want to put colorful stuff over there. I have to accompany her guys outside because she's sad. Come here. She looks sad. So okay, let's go. Come here. Come here. This is what you wanted. She wants somebody with her, guys. Tignan nyo, guys. She just nasasad kasi sa Roxy, guys. She looks not happy inside. So I let her, I accompany her outside because that's what she wanted. Yes, that's what she wanted. She wanted to be with her baby. A good girl ni mama. Ito siya. When it's boiling, these noodles will get separated. Look how colorful is that, guys. Huh? Carrots, mushrooms, chickpeas, onion, garlic. Good. Guys, we're in the car. I'm freezing. Look at the way I sit down in the thing. I sit down in the car. It's so freezing cold in here. Oh my goodness. I'm in the black car, guys. We're picking up some because my husband is forgetting salt for the water.
Because he keeps telling his wife to remind him, but she don't remind him nothing. Same way she don't bring her chain to get fixed it too. Oh, my husband didn't fix my chain.
I
never bring it.
I miss this black car. It's high, hon. I miss it. It's high. Anyway. Yeah. New people. And what's that over there? It's a new people, hon.
Yep.
Okay, we pick up the meal. We have a new neighbor, guys. They wave at me. I wave at them back. So people are like waving in this area, guys. So I guess that's what it is. Wave until you freaking wave. You know?
Wave until your grave.
Ay, nako. It's higher. I like it. It's been a while, though. Do you want to change car? Okay, I'm I'm waiting for Tommy, guys.
I had a John Deere.
Okay.
It was, I think it was like 2,100 before.
Oh shit.
I had it for $17.99.
So.
Well, that's a good price.
And the John Deere.
It's like $400 off.
Okay, the John Deere can hold the thing for snow.
Yes, you have to buy it, but yes.
I mean, there is a connection in it.
Yes, I had them with it.
Searching for higher ground. Can't see in front of me. My enemies have tried every possibility. Ability to know if I can bleed. If that's what you wanted, you won't get it tonight. 'Cause I can fly. I can fly. I can fly.
Tommy is leaving. 9 o'clock already, and they just left. Sadness. You can really see the sadness of her eyes. Look, you can see it. Like she is so sad. Sadness or just sleepiness? What is it? Tell me. She have that in her eyes that you can tell that she is very unhappy if every time Dada left. Right, Rox? Dada left. Dada always left us. I want to tell you something, guys. Tommy and I talk. Nag-usap kami ni Tommy kanina na nag-usap kami tungkol sa marami kasi pagbili namin sa bahay na to, 'di ba, may problema doon. Nagka-problema kami, mataas pala ang tax dito sa lugar namin, sa town na binilhan namin ng bahay. So this town, it's kind of high. School tax is so high. The house total is very high, and it's really unexpected, and we don't expect that. So may natanggap kaming sulat galing sa school tax in this town, and it's really high, guys. And they said that they give us a star, like a star, to make your tax lower. Because I think every household, I think they give you for like a star. But pero nag-usap kami ng asawa ko to if we can. I told him, why don't we sell this house? You know, because if it's gonna give us a problem in the future, like we end up nothing left because of this house, so it's not worth it, guys. It's not worth it. So I told him na, you know, if you want, you know, sell this house, because you know what, sell this house. We go back to, punta tayo sa lumang bahay, balik tayo doon. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, he said if I will sell it, he wanted to get more profit and like more. And so I guess, let's say, he said he doesn't want to do it, but let's see, guys. Let's see. Okay, guys, let's see if this where we're going. We're gonna really sell the house, or we're going to stay here, because I'm still gonna talk to Tommy, because you know, guys, I'm not really like into like, oh, we have a new house, yeah, like look at this, I don't want to sell this house, I'm happy for my future, I have a house. Tommy's thinking about my future, that I have a house in the future like that. But I told him, we are, you know, it's up to you. I don't have any problem with me. We sell the house. I love the house, but I'm just gonna keep talking to him of selling the house. Just sell this house, you know. I'm not, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. And if you are been in my channel, you know, we get this house. We're not here yet, and I'm curious what's gonna happen in the future, guys. Like, you know. And I cannot wait to share it with you. Like, whatever's gonna happen in my life, I will share it with you. What happened to have this house, or we cannot have this house, you know. I will share it with you. Whatever happened, you know. If we're going to sell this house, I'm not gonna embarrass. Why should I embarrass? You know. I will share with you. This is my life. This is my life here. I will share with you. The TV is so freaking loud, and you can hear it too. But anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell, subscribe on my channel, and hit like. And thank you guys so much for watching. Good night. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good night, guys.
grated cheese.
It's just finished. So now you have to go out again.
No, it's not even tell me that.
You have to go out again.
Guys, don't listen to her.